Set. Alright. Over. Arrival checks. Big up. Check your altimeter set 2988 for an uncorrected field elevation of 60 feet. Check your smoke pressure on. Taxi light on. Bring up. Sorry about your pain, Greg. Little power. The underside of it. Solid. Check out Push's nose cone. Woof. Where? Be the second time I'd be boss on this rig. Oh yeah, I put that stuff on a long time ago. Yeah. I don't see no boat. I didn't either. Try. Little pole. Ease the pole. Rolling out. Boss pitch 118.8, come on. Little try. Coming left. Coming further left. We're in a left turn to the jet break runway 14. We got track down. Push up. A little more pull. Choke on. 275, stand by the gear flaps. Bring trash gear plugs up. Good. Gear plugs up. 0 at 20, check up 3 in the green, staggers right. Bring up. Push up. Boss 220. 260 push. 260 cross. 220 track. 240 stall. 260 cross. 200 track. 220 stall. 240 push. 260 cross. 200 stall. Tall power tonight. 220 push. 240 cross. 220 cross. That was exciting. 200 cross. Going off spring. 420. Push off on trail. Push back up the stroke up. Gear flaps and up.
Chocolate, gear flaps and up.
Gear flaps go.
We're holding 140 pattern.
200 currently.
Yep.
And I'll tell you guys what, I'm going to talk to tower, and I'm going to get vector to the ILS.
I've got the field in sight.
Alright, I'm going to try to make one more left-hand approach turn for this. Don't have the ILS frequency handy. First course 146. I am south of the field on the go.
First course.
46. Be advised, the runway was pretty slick when I touched down. Fuel state. Let's give lots of up. I think I should be alright. I'll see you guys in the briefing room.
Doing at 90 stuff.
Station 0, Beach Airshow, smoke pressure on, tank later. Oh, right. Yeah, they are right up against the edge of this TFR. Pulling out.
Water.
Look shorts for the perch look pretty good, so it's going to keep going around. That looks about right. Perfect. 4 little pylons in the middle. Makes it easier to see. There you see that building with the orange awnings right by the center point. Coming right.
Cosmic 1 on 260.9.
Coming up.
To us. Further offshore than you'd think.
Establish block 34. Overcast above 12,000. Roll with these liners that are skirting the TFR over here.
Actually pretty easy to see. Low grazing angle, so kind of see the boat well before the parking lot. Well past the boat.
Bank C.
It also reminds me of like that
Vertical break.
It's pretty cool too. Setting up for their first Delta breakout.
Get back to the normal timeline with a potential slide for the solo turnaround time.
Back out of this one. drop dead sound. Let go. Drop it left. Further left. Little. We're in a left turn for the diamond aileron roll. A little power. Right. Go left dash one. Bring up. Okay.
No factor.
A little more. 5-5. Easing power. Easing more power. Little come the more. Further left. A little
Out.
set up the vertical brake box 6-1.
Echo clear to bus. 16. Off.
The pole, rolling out. Tomo ammo, Doc, Zuppo. For this video, nice job, thank you, we'll see you in a bit. Coming left. Further left. A little, I'll switch in 14, come on. Just doing a quick left over center point here, we'll be out of here. Rolling out. We're at 8.5 miles for the Delta left pitch up brake runway 32.
Said runway 14, so I just confirmed.
Left. Down. Coming further left. A little rolling out. Okay, we're now 6 miles south for the Delta left pitch up brake runway 14. There you go. Trash. So 2986 for an uncorrected field elevation of 260 feet. Check correction 60 feet. Check smoke pressure on text slow down. A little power. Little drive. Further right. A little turn for the Delta left pitch up brake runway 14. Turn for the Delta right pitch up brake runway 14.
Right. Okay, the Alpha Zulu is through 10.8 for 7,000 at lobby, and we have Alpha.
Drive stand by there. Your bus. Hello. Expo 295. Sure, you're backing up on that. Turn. A little. I think it's just the blue brake line. I don't have any checkpoints, so over to you on that. Triple. Push. R 010 and 7, that's behind the crowd. That was, overcast 7,000, Bo. Actual clear front. Actual clears. We do a trail. Cross. Off the spring. Do 400 knots. Gonna drop it down to about 1,500 feet. Push on 8. On our timeline, I don't anticipate the solos being able to get these jets turned around for practice. If the Diamond wants to come out and practice, might be worth recommending they just do a Diamond practice, because I don't think we'll be able to make the timeline. I was tracking still 1630 as we have for us. Take a look at these boats line up, notice the orientation to shoreline. And let's cut the miles, 450. Ready to run crowd right, crowd left, 088. One crowd right, crowd left, hold reference CME. Alright, a little bit of an angle, but were you able to track outboard of the boats?
I got a couple good HUD references.
Do crowd left, crowd right at 268. Get ready to run crowd right, crowd left heading 088. You good to do some flat passes after this? Let me know when you're set. Set. Let me know when you're beat. Mark. Mark it. Right flat pass.
Mark 4.1, 20 to go.
Smoke. Beam. Flat pass.
Bronson, last flat pass. Seconds. Mark 4.1.
Thank you, Bo. No, when you're beat.
Beam.
Mark.
Mark.
Mark it. Push it. Right flat pass.
Mark 4.0.
Bo.
That push.
9-1. 7. Oh, when you're beat.
Beam.
Take a mark. Push it. Left pass.
Mark 4.1.
Bo. You Bo. We're going to do another couple more of these, alright?
Good idea.
I'm sure you've noticed by now, but the visual cues in the dive over the water with a hazy horizon, that's something new, but how you feeling? Let's do a couple more of these. No, you take a mark. Mark. Bye, mark it. Push in, right flat pass.
Bronson, right flat pass.
We go, thanks, Bo. Nice work, Bronson. Two more of these. Just four.
If you want to do just this one, we can try behind the crowd clear and figure it out.
I'll take it. You know when you're beep. Beep. Shit, left flat pass.
Bronson, left flat pass behind the crowd clears.
Behind the crowd clears.
Mark 4.0.
The crowd is door opener. Thank you, Bo. Door opener. Real smooth, Bron.
I want to get down a couple of gigs.
Bo, we're going to go back after this one. Winds back in the field if you can. Bo. Right. Also doing coming easy left. Photo video cop card, supposed to be Bo 38. Nice. 4 today. We will see you in a little bit.
Moving took too long. I think I know how to correct that. Spin.
On a 10-degree clear.
Take a wider circle, much wider on this one.
Drive to level. 25.
You are a good distance away, but the other thing, I can get much closer to you, because look how far I am from show center. If I stay closer, you can get with me much quicker.
Better set 297 for uncorrected center point elevation, 0 feet, keep more pressure on.
Good. Spin. The blues just went into the acro box.
Oh, God. Zuppo. Event video. Good afternoon.
Go do what you got to do. Not on this one. Pulling out. Yeah. Coming left. Got that. You're clear.
Back, Bo.
Forward.
Set up the down at 360.
Crowd right behind the crowd 12.
0 at 5, that is crowd left behind the crowd. Crowd left behind the crowd. Clouds, view, 1800 boat. Trust. I am turning on the arc, 30 to go.
701. 701.
Let me know when you're beam. Mark. I mark it.
Ground's in right, half edge.
I mean, that was pretty good. A couple of things we got to work on. We can clean up, especially with marks in the box. Everybody good?
Hey, folks, son.
They're in their box also. I saw the Hornets running around. A little scour over the airport, but nothing that we can't handle. So, tower, stand by.
When you're beam. Beam. Hey, Mark.
Take a mark.
And I mark it.
And left, Curtis.
I've been left. But further left. A little. We're in a left turn for the diamond in line roll. A little more. Yeah, I got it. Turn on here. Arcing at 4.7. In from 4.6, 240. 4 miles per hour.
Left was on rolls. Behind the crowd clears. Second, mark 4.0.
Using a little power. But right. Go left echelon. Turning in 4.5.
Clear. Better to Brookie. 1800. No. No. Hey. Take a mark. That's in right, 4 points.
Coming right. Coming further right.
Oh, can I get you, sir?
Okay. A little left. Further left. We're in a left turn for the Fleur de Lis. Here we go. Fast. There's up. Further left. Little more. Easing power. Easing more power. Lead right 360. A little ease.
I know.
Putting the pole. A little more pole. Holding out 380. Keep pushing. Up the pole. Go. But further left. Pull. Coming left. Okay. But further right. A little adding power. Vertical 5-6. Easing power. Easing more power. Brake. And left. About. Mark. Up we go. Vertical 4-5. 7-4. Easing power idle. Pass. shallow.
Pulling. Contact.
300. 310. 20 coming left. Coming further left.
Middle.
325. 328. We're behind the crowd. Send up the Delta flat pass. 331. He's in some full rolling up the back. Little drive level. Push towards the one. Going up here, some cars, about the PAOs. Make sure you help that. See you soon.
That's direct TFO behind the crowd. 1,500 feet. 4 miles.
Middle. Adding. We got you in sight.
Hey, probably got the Delta inside, Bird.
Ease the pulse. Rolling out. 4 miles south for the Delta left pitch up break runway 14. Bring it.
Trash down.
Arrival check. Bring it.
Trash down.
Altimeter set 295 for an uncrazy fuel elevation 60 feet. Check your full pressure on taxi line. Bring it. Back. Using a little power. Coming right. Middle. Delta left pitch up. Rolling out. Delta left pitch up right. Left right. Off. Traffic up.
Up.
The 90 winds 193 south to check up 3 in the green. Staggers right. 220.
36 soft. 240 soft.
Sorry, Trash.